Welcome to Quiz Brain, your ultimate brain challenge and fun time with friends. Today's quiz has 3 rounds: easy, medium, and expert level. You have 10 seconds for each question. What does WW stand for in a website browser? World Wide Web, Web Worldwide, World Web Wide, Wide Web World. Correct answer, World Wide Web. What is the capital of the United States? New York, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, Chicago. Correct answer, Washington, D.C. How many continents are there in the world? 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct answer, 7. What is the color of an emerald? Red, blue, green, yellow. Correct answer, green. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Saturn, Mercury. Correct answer, Mars. What is the national flower of Japan? Rose, chrysanthemum, lotus, cherry blossom. Correct answer, cherry blossom. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, 10, 12. Correct answer, 8. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, 120 degrees. Correct answer, 100 degrees. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, avocado, cucumber, lettuce. Correct answer, avocado. What shape is a stop sign? Square, octagon, triangle, circle. Correct answer, octagon. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, Pacific. Correct answer, Pacific. How many days are there in a leap year? 365, 366, 367, 368. Correct answer, 366. What is the tallest mountain in the world? K2, Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, Denali. Correct answer, Mount Everest. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Dollar, pound, euro, franc. Correct answer, pound. Who wrote Harry Potter? J.R.R. Tolkien, J.K. Rowling, George R.R. Martin, Suzanne Collins. Correct answer, J.K. Rowling. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Mars, Venus, Pluto. Correct answer, Mercury. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Eu, Ag, Fe, Pb. Correct answer, AO. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming, Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Thomas Edison. Correct answer, Alexander Fleming. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Canberra. Correct answer, Canberra. In what year did World War II end? 1944, 1945, 1946, 1947. Correct answer, 1945. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? China, South Korea, Japan, Thailand. Correct answer, Japan. Who is the Greek god of the underworld? Zeus, Hades, Poseidon, Apollo. Correct answer, Hades. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Steel, diamond, graphite, quartz. Correct answer, diamond. What language has the most native speakers? English, Spanish, Mandarin, Hindi. Correct answer, Mandarin. What is the national animal of Canada? Moose, beaver, eagle, bear. Correct answer, beaver. How many bones are there in the adult human body? 204, 205, 206, 207. Correct answer, 206. What is the square root of 144? 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct answer, 12. Which country is the origin of the tango dance? Spain, Argentina, Brazil, Italy. Correct answer, Argentina. What is the deepest part of the world's oceans? Tonga Trench, Mariana Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, Java Trench. Correct answer, Mariana Trench. Which mathematical hypothesis remains one of the most famous unsolved problems in number theory? Collette's conjecture, Goldbach's conjecture, Riemann hypothesis, P versus NP problem. Correct answer, Riemann hypothesis. What is the capital of Iceland? Reykjavik, Oslo, Helsinki, Nuuk. Correct answer, Reykjavik. Who wrote the novel 1984? George Orwell, Aldous Huxley, Ernest Hemingway, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Correct answer, George Orwell. What is the world's longest river? Nile, Amazon, Yangtze, Mississippi. Correct answer, Amazon. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? Tofu, soybeans, seaweed, rice. Correct answer, soybeans. What does the term E in ERMC2 represent? Energy, electrons, electricity, equilibrium. Correct answer, energy. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie, Rosalind Franklin, Ada Lovelace, Jane Goodall. Correct answer, Marie Curie. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Antarctic, Arabian, Gobi. Correct answer, Antarctic. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1987, 1988, 1989, 1990. Correct answer, 1989. How many moons does Mars have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer, 2. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland, Madagascar, Borneo, Australia. Correct answer, Greenland. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Guglielmo Marconi. Correct answer, Alexander Graham Bell. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element? Uranium, lead, gold, mercury. Correct answer, uranium. Who was the first person in space? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, John Glenn. Correct answer, Yuri Gagarin. What is the name of the layer of Earth's atmosphere where weather occurs? Stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, exosphere. Correct answer, troposphere. Which element remains liquid at absolute zero under extreme pressure? Helium, hydrogen, neon, oxygen. Correct answer, helium.